Welcome to our lesson on subsets and Venn diagrams. And our today's objectives: write set notations and symbols. Use Venn diagram to represent sets and subsets. And again, these are the notations to be used in set theory. So now let's have the Venn diagram. Let's know what Venn diagram is. This is just a figure to show sets or relationship between sets. The rectangle is usually used as our universal set. The circles are the sets inside the universal set. To further explain this, let us have this example. Let's have A or set A as a set of letters, of course, of the English alphabet, because we are familiar with that. B is a set of vowels. So from this description, we can use the listing method in writing sets. So we have set A. Since set A is a set of letters, so we have letters from A to Z of the English alphabet. We just list them down. So we write A, B, C, and the three dots here representing all the other letters between C until Z. So we don't have to write all of those other letters. Set B, we have set B as a set of vowels. So the vowels are just the elements of B. So those are A, E, I, O, U. So by using the rule method, we can write set A as A contains X such that X is a letter or letters of the alphabet. Set B contains X such that X is a vowel. So we already know what those vowels are. So it is automatically known as A, E, I, O, U using the listing method. So since B is a smaller set, we can say that B is a subset of A because the elements of B can be found in set A. So by using Venn diagram in representing these sets, okay, we can say that set B is a subset of A. So what are the elements in set B? So before we have that as the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So we can put those elements inside our B. So we have here A, E, I, O, U. So those are the elements of B. And the other letters except A, E, I, O, U is or are inside our set A because set A is our set of letters. So those are from A to Z. Since we already have the A, E, I, O, U, we don't need to write this here. So we just put the letter B here, B, then C, D, we already have E here, F, G, H, we have I here, J, K, L, M, N, we have the O, then just write P, Q, R, S, T, and we have already the U. Then we have here V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these are all the elements in set A. And now let's have another example. We have set U here with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have set A having the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we can see that set A, or all the elements of set A, can be found in set U. So we can say, but set A is a smaller set. So we can say that A is a subset of U. So drawing that or representing that using our Venn diagram, we have our set U as our universal set, and we have set A, the circle here, inside the rectangle or inside our set U, and the elements of A are of course inside this circle, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and all the other elements of U can be found outside A but is still inside our rectangle. So those are the 1, the 3, 5, 7, and 9. So we can see them all here. Now I want you to try to write the notation for this set. So by using the list method, we have set U contains elements circle, triangle, and square. Or set U contains the elements of A, B, and C. And using our rule method, we can write set U as contain X such that X is geometric or are geometric shapes. So now let us have the universal set U be all the elements in sets A, B, C, and D. So what is our universal set? This will be the whole of this is our universal set because it contains the set A, B, C, and D. So how are the sets related to each other? Can you give the relationship of sets B to A, C to A, and D to all these three sets? Okay, so let's have this relationship. Set B is inside set A because set B is in the rectangle set A, or all the elements of set B is contained in A. C is also inside A, and all the elements containing in C is also contained in A. But you can see here, our set D is outside set A. So it means that all of the elements inside our set D is separated from A, B, and C. So if all the elements of set D doesn't belong to set A, then we can say that D is the complement of set A. Now let's have this diagram. Can you please write the notation of this figure? Then draw Venn diagram to show relationship between the following pairs or group of sets. Again, please list 3 things you learned today, 2 things you'd like to learn more about, and 1 question you still have. And can you or do you have any mathematical terms that you don't understand? Or which are the mathematical terms you clearly understood with this lesson?